Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to reset uptime and optimize performance. First, you need to go to the search bar where you have to search Task Manager, where after searching it, you have to click on it and then you can see on this left option of performance. Click on that and you can see the performance it is doing. If you feel that it's not good, then you need to go across. Then you have to go to search bar again, search for control panel. After searching for control panel, go in control panel. You have to go to hardware and sound. There you have to go for the power options. Click on power options and then go to this option on left. Choose what the power button does. There you have to do Then you have to go to this option of change setting that are currently unavailable. Then you have to disable this, turn on fast startup, and then click on save changes as this solves the issue. If you find this video useful, then make sure to like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.